Hey guys, a very good morning and a warm welcome to this new daily market outlook. Let's dive straight in. To begin with, as per usual, the DXY. So the DXY hasn't been doing much since yesterday, to be honest, as we can see, currently still situated within this area of resistance after previously seeing it as support. So currently, if we look at the 1 hour time frame, we're situated within this ascending channel. So ascending channels are often a sign of bearishness to come. So if we break out of the ascending channel, see a small retest of structure, I'm going to be targeting 90.180. So you might be wondering, well, when are we going to see longs? Well, we're going to potentially see longs if we break above this area of resistance, which is a 4 hour lower high and is 91.110. So once that lower high is broken on the 4 hour, we're going to have to retest it. And from then onwards, we can expect more upside, potentially to that daily level, which I called a few days ago. And that daily level is situated over here, somewhere around 92.2. So yep, that is a DXY for you. Nothing interesting as of yet. So let's head over to AUDCAD. And AUDCAD also not doing that much, to be honest. As we can see, just one and all bearish momentum. I didn't see any bullish confirmation patterns over here at the 786 and at my potential reversal area. So no longs on the board for me personally. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, just chopping towards the downside. Nothing interesting as of yet. So if we look at the 4 hour time frame once again, what can we see? Well, the 4 hour seems to be situated within this downtrend, after obviously creating a new lower low compared to this lower low over here. So I would have preferably seen this low over here get broken, because at the moment we just have a daily double top, and I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing some more upside from here. However, this could be the beginning of a head and shoulders on the daily, with a left shoulder ahead and then a potential right shoulder, retesting that lower high over here, or that lower low, excuse me, and then tanking further towards the downside. So definitely expecting some more upside from here. However, nothing interesting at the moment. Maybe a lower time frame long could be on the board after breaking out of this area of consolidation. So with AUDCAD discussed, let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar is reacting pretty nicely to this area of liquidity over here. However, we have to start breaking out, because at the moment, Aussie dollar is starting to look like this ascending wedge, which could be bearish. So if we just delete this trend line over here, adjust the trend line to this current structure, I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing Aussie dollar fall towards the downside like this. So this would be in line with the expectation that the DXY could potentially see a larger pullback on the daily time frame. So a correction of this ascending wedge, see more downside, and retest this major area of liquidity down over here. So that is Aussie dollar. Let's head over to Euro dollar. And Euro dollar, to be honest, not doing that much. If we look at the 4 hour, what can we currently see? Well, we're currently situated at this previous area of resistance. We saw some rejection during yesterday's New York session. However, currently just chopping around, mainly due to the fact that DXY is also chopping around. Personally not interested in any trades as of now. Euro dollar is pretty overextended, so not gonna pay a lot of attention to this pair. So let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar broke above my area of liquidity over here and is currently retesting it. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we're just within this area of consolidation. And after long times of those consolidation, we can expect large moves. So I am going to be waiting for a large move on pound dollar. This will be either towards the downside with a retest of previous structure. So just going to be waiting for this symmetrical triangle to break out and then trade the potential retest of structure. So yeah, nothing much more to say. So with that pair discussed, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, as you guys can see, faked out beautifully on that swing high over here on the 4 hour. Looking at the 1 hour, still situated within this ascending channel. Looking at the 4 hour, also pretty obvious. Retest of structure over here. As we can see, we reacted pretty nicely to that. However, not interested in any longs at the moment, mainly due to the fact that we faked out on this major high over here. and we are currently on the 1 hour retesting this previous area of support. So wouldn't be surprised with more downside. The only thing that we have to do at the moment is create a new lower low in comparison to this low over here. So once this low is broken, I will be looking for further shorts towards the downside. And what we eventually have to do, of course, is break this ascending trend line, which is connected by these higher lows. And eventually, once this higher low is broken over here, we are going to see even more downside. So yeah, that was today's market outlook. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I can't wait to see you guys during our new episode of Trade of the Week this weekend. Thanks guys.